In response to the recent financial crisis and the reduced availability of bank and other traditional sources of funding, new and different sources are emerging. Crowdfunding, or as it is sometimes known, peer-to-peer lending, is one of these emerging sources of finance. It is particularly popular among startups, small and medium-sized businesses. With crowdfunding, the transaction is done using a web platform. This connects lenders and investors with businesses that are looking for new and innovative ways to fund their businesses. It's popular with businesses wanting a quick and easy method of transaction that doesn't involve traditional financial intermediaries, such as banks. The concept behind crowdfunding is simple. Investors sign up online and place cash in an account. This money, ranging from as little as £10 to several thousands of pounds, can then be used to invest in one or more of the companies that have joined that particular online platform. If the fundraising is successful, a business might find that it has acquired hundreds or even thousands of shareholders. This type of finance is growing and developing. Do an online search for crowdfunding platforms that are relevant to your business sector or business interests, and ask your Business Wales business advisor or accountant for advice. Another concept which is relatively new to the UK is microfinance. Microfinance may be the answer if you only need a relatively small amount, sometimes as little as a few £100s. It is also useful if you have no savings and a limited track record. There are a number of microfinance providers, such as Community Development Finance Institutions, and Finance Wales also offers microloans. If your business is in the social enterprise sector, there are some interesting developments in terms of accessible and affordable finance. Credit unions are increasingly offering viable alternatives to traditional high street banks, particularly for small businesses seeking ethical funding sources. Keep an eye out for developments in this area. Finally, there's a growing trend for big corporates to support small businesses to develop and build their capacity. Whilst this support is not always in terms of finance, it's nonetheless still extremely valuable. There have been offers of office space and facilities, mentoring, as well as access to customers and capital. Some larger organisations have also invited startups and small businesses to take part in pitching days, rewarding winners with shelf space and access to thousands of potential customers. As you can see, there are a growing number of alternative sources of finance. Check them out and ask your Business Wales business advisor or accountant for advice too.